Alright, well, we're pretty bare now. Pretty bare indeed. Just a number plate. So, I think, get it down, give it a good wash and scrub off now on the frame, your motor, all of that area where we've got to work. Clean it up, see what we're looking at. Check the wheels, wheel bearings and shit like that. Probably grease those as well. But yeah, that's the next steps, the next direction. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, we'll get to that one in the next one, guys. All right, cheers. All right, well, see, it's got a shit ton of dust on the outside, but it's reasonably good looking, clean-ish carby. Not so much in there, as you can see. So we're definitely going to pull the bowl off, pull the jets out, float, and then we'll whack the whole lot in the ultrasonic cleaner. Give it 5 minutes, and Stefan might be your brother or your auntie or your sister. We'll be back then. Alright, well, just drop the screws in there so we can throw it in the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to be honest, it looks pretty damn good, eh? I'd say at some point it was clean and then just left. You can see the old gasket in there. But I'll pull the jets out, and the one down in there, and floating that, and we'll have a look at it, and then whack her in the cleaner. So yeah, just whack them out and we'll get to it. Alright, so we got it all out. Those look, as I said, does look very clean, but you can see jets have got some crap on them. That's, yeah, got some old fuel staining on it, so, you know, safer rather than sorry. Just put her in